Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change the transparency of color correction floating shortcut in Realme 14x phone. So first of all we need to go to our phone's settings. Then in accessibility and convenience we need to tap accessibility, then vision tab, and here we have our color correction menu. Here is the button that we can customize, so we need to tap the shortcut options, then more options, and here we have our floating buttons options with the fade function. So first we need to enable fading, and now we can change transparency of our button, as you can see here, and that's it. We can also turn the fading off, and now we have the solid button here. And that's all. Goodbye.